Hi, I am Naveen Kumar, studying 10th class, ZPHS Sipali, Sravakulam, Andhra Pradesh State.
My name is Acharya Kumar. I am studying 7th class.
My name is R.S. Madri from 10th class.
My project name is Smart Cloth Protector from Rain. Why should I make this device? Few days ago, my family went to a trip. Unexpectedly, that day was rainy. Dry clothes on our terrace got wet. After coming back from trip, my mother washing clothes again second time. To avoid this type of situations, I want to do some time. Then I got an idea. I made this device for that purpose. Anyone facing this type of situation, waste of time to washing clothes again second time, and also clothes were damaged in rain, some water waste. Required material: survey motor, rain sensor, Arduino Uno, breadboard, switch, wires, and light. Working. Just imagine it as house. Water sensor attached on the roof. Motor attached under roof. Rain was stopped. Clothes were dry. Advantages: it is useful working moments and employees like my mother. It is low cost and very useful. Thank you.